Good morning to all. I am Karthikeyan, Assistant Professor in MAM School of Engineering, Trichy. In this lecture, EC 8551 Communication Networks, third year ECE, 5th semester, Unit 1 Fundamentals and Link Layers. The syllabus of EC 8551 Communication Networks. The main objective of this subject to understand the division of network functionalities into layer, be familiar with the components required to build different types of networks, be exposed to the required functionality at each layer, learn the flow control and congestion control algorithms. Now, the unit 1 we are going to discuss about the topics overview of data communication and networks and what are the different types of networks and the protocol layer and the open system interconnection mode and overview of data and signals and introduction of data and link layers. Finally, error detection and correction for communication network systems. Next, at the end of the course, the students should be able to identify the components required to build different types of networks, choose the required functionality at each layer for given applications, identify solution for each functionality at each layer, trace the flow of information from one node to another node in the network. Next, the outline of this presentation: number 1, introduction of data communication; number 2, components of data communications; number 3, data flow; number 4, data representation. Now, we are going to study in this subject, in this unit. First of all, what is data communication? In electronic transmission of information that has been encoded digitally with some stand from one network to another network via certain medium known as data communication. So the elements of data communications are: number 1 is informations or data. This is a initial data in the network. Number 2, second step. Number 2 is a digital encoding method. Number 3, transfer of data into sender or receiver. Number 4, specific medium, that is a communication medium. Communication medium is through wired or wireless. The next slide, overview of data communication. In term, telecommunication means communication at a distance. The word data refer to information presented in whatever form is agreed upon the parties creating and using the data. Data communications are the exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission medium such as wired cable. Computer network was developed for defense purpose to have a secured communication network that can even withstand a nuclear attack. After a decade, or some companies in various fields started using the computer network for keeping tracking of inventories, monitoring productivity. Communication between their different branch offers located at different locations. For example, railways started using the computer networks by connecting their nationwide reservation counters to provide the facilities of reservation and inquiry from anywhere across the country. Now, the next slide, components of data communication. There are 5 major components of data communications. Number 1 is we see the general block diagram of data communications. First one is a sender and finally the receiver. The sender is a device that send the message, that is a message or any other messages, informations or data. Now the receiver is a device that receives the messages. The message is a informations of data to be communicated. Now the transmission medium is a physical path by which message travel from sender to receiver, and the protocol is a set of rules that the data communicate through the sender and receiver. It represents an agreement between the communicating devices. Now we see the next slide, data flow and data representation. In data flow, in data communication, there are three different types of data flow. Number one is a simplex, number two half duplex, number three full duplex. We see this block diagram. The simplex is the communications is unidirectional as a one-way street. For example, keyboard and traditional monitors are the example of simple communication. And the second one is a half duplex. This is each station can both transmit and receive, but not at the same time. For example, walkie-talkies and citizen band radios are both examples of half duplex. And the third one is a full duplex. In full duplex, both stations can transmit and receive simultaneously at a time. So in modern telecommunication network is the full duplex communications are using in this date. Now the data representation. The data representations, the data can be different format, can be changed. So the data is text, number, image. In text, most of the text is in format of American Code of Information Exchange, and then the number is represented by bit pattern, that is zeros and 1. It is a group of code word or group of symbols. And third one is images. There is several method of representing color images, but one popular method is red, green, blue. And then audio method. This refer to recording or broadcasting of sound or image in the communication medium. This is a complete data flow in data communication network. Thank you for watching this video.